Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to activate Microsoft Office in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to first copy our product key. Now, once you do it, just go into the search bar and then search for any Office 365 application. So that could be PowerPoint, that could be Word, or even Excel. So it doesn't matter. So just open any application of Office 365. So let's say, for example, that this is the application that we're going to use. So just click on open right here. Now, in this part, this should pop up immediately. So all you have to do is to click on I have a product key right here and then click it once again. And then you should now be able to put your Office product key right here. So if you don't see this, there's actually another way, which is going right here in the account section. Now, in this part, what we're going to do here is you will see this view only unlicensed. So what we're going to do is to click on activate product. So once you click it, you will see this I have a product key once again, and then you just have to click it once again, and then this will pop up. So just paste your product key right here, and then after that, you just have to confirm it, and then once you confirm it, just restart Office 365, and then that should fix your problem. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So that is basically it.